Welcome, dear friend, to AyurPrana, the kitchen remedies. Because in our kitchen there are so many spices, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, as well as mustard, cumin, turmeric, cayenne pepper, curry pepper, asafoetida, and rock salt. So these spices have incredible healing power, and we should understand, based upon Ayurvedic principles of rasa, virya, vipaka and prabhav. Rasa is the taste, virya is the heating and cooling effect on the agni, then vipaka is post-digestive effect, and prabhav is a specific action which happens directly at cellular level. So everything is medicine. Our spices, our vegetables, and our fruits. Now today I am going to talk about cucumber. Cucumbers are green cucumber, yellow cucumber, white cucumber, so many varieties of cucumber, big cucumber, small cucumber. And we can do, in our cooking, we can make cucumber raita, which is one of the beautiful recipe. They grate the cucumber, and about this much chunk of bowl of cucumber, grated cucumber, then in a little pot, like a ladle, they take a ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and when ghee is hot, they put mustard and little asafoetida, and if you like, you can put chopped pieces of green chili. And then when everything is boiling, then you dump it into the grated cucumber. And that is called tadka. Oh, amazing. If you give tadka to the grated cucumber, it will never produce kapha dosha. Because cucumber is very watery. There are soft seeds in it, and cucumber is absolutely tridoshic, vata, pitta, kapha, in moderation. But if you eat too much cucumber, it will create cold, congestion, cough. So people with asthma, cold, congestion, cough, bronchitis, they should stay away from cucumber. Cucumber is very good in summer season when it is very hot. And if you eat cucumber, it will quench your thirst. Oh, in my hometown Pune, during summer, we have so much hot summer, people sell cucumber. They peel off the skin, they chop it into pieces, they put little rock salt and cayenne pepper, and children are eating, and amazing, they feel cool. So during hot summer, calming, cooling effect is cucumber. Now, I will just cut the cucumber here. See, it is so watery, so juicy. So, smells great. Cucumber, it falls under vegetable as well as fruit. There are many vegetable recipes they can make cucumber. And most of the country, they use cucumber. They add sliced cucumber in your salad. Cucumber pickle is also very famous. You can soak the cucumber into the apple cider vinegar, and they can put little cayenne pepper, curry pepper, and you can make a nice cucumber raita, cucumber pickle. So cucumber is such a great medicine because it is sweet, cooling, sweet, very juicy, very watery. And if you are thirsty, if you eat cucumber, it will quench the thirst. Cucumber externally, when you apply, it's very cooling, calming. So eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, burning sensation, you can apply cucumber topically. It is very calming, anti-inflammatory. And even in the health food, in most of the 5-star hotel, there is a spa, and somebody is doing facial massage, and they put cucumber on the eyes. Oh, it is so calming. Wow. See? And the individual is lying on the table, and massage person is doing massage or facial paste, and they put cucumber. And cucumber will stimulate lacrimation. It is very calming, very cooling, very soothing. It is anti-inflammatory, and I feel fresh just by holding cucumber on my eyes. Oh, wow. Very, very cooling, huh? So, cucumber in Ayurvedic literature When person has diarrhea, dysentery, just give cucumber juice. Cucumber is crunchy, munchy, watery, but it is heavy to digest. Even if you eat cucumber at night, next day you will get burping of the cucumber, because cucumber takes long time to get digested. Therefore, to improve the digestion of cucumber, we add rock salt, little cayenne pepper, or chaat masala. It's a very beautiful chaat masala you can buy from Indian grocery, and you can sprinkle chaat masala, and then cucumber is very easy to digest. So cucumber is good medicine for skin condition, hives, rash, urticaria. Cucumber is good for conjunctivitis, burning sensation in the eyes. In a hot summer season, when it is too much heating, we can take cucumber as a medicine. Cucumber juice, cucumber slice, and cucumber raita. This way we can enjoy the cucumber for longevity of life. Cucumber is in moderation, it is okay for kapha, but when already person has kapha dushti, cold, congestion, stuffy sinus, asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, or bronchiectasis, they should stay away from cucumber. Ideally, cucumber is very good to eat during lunch. During dinner, cucumber will create burping, and whole night you will get burping of the cucumber. So it is ideally better not to eat cucumber for dinner, and don't eat cucumber for breakfast, because the whole day you will be very burping. So that's why ideally cucumber is good for lunch during summer season. It is the best pitta pacifying simple recipe. Namaste.